Hi everyone, how are we doing? Hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I am struggling with some sinus issue here, so please pardon my voice, but I had to get this video out to you so you could see what I've been doing since the last video. So I have this client that purchased a new home and wanted me to come in and work with them on doing their 3 bathrooms. So I went online and I shopped for the items, and then I would send it to the client and they go ahead and purchase it. In the video you may notice that the rugs for the bathrooms may not be there, or actually need to be returned, because when we did get them they weren't what we were looking for. So that will happen, but it was such fun going in and doing each bathroom, making it more masculine because that's what they wanted, but still have some elegant look to it. So I hope you enjoy this video of these bathrooms makeover. Thank you again for taking the time out in watching another video that I share with you. Your support means a lot to me, so thank you once again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. I would appreciate that as well. So again, have yourself a wonderful day and see you in the next video.